Today we are going to talk about 3D street artifacts. 3D street artifact is a type of artwork painted or drawn in a specific way that creates an optical illusion that creates the mind into believing that 2D network that we are viewing is actually three-dimensional. History of 3D network. The painting of the first perspectives can be dated back to ancient Greece. Zeuxis is often referred to in the tale of rival painters tricking each other with optical illusion paintings. How to make 3D paintings. 3D street artists plays tricks on our brains by painting jobs that are further away as larger in distance and smaller closer. When the effect is combined with the forced perspective and a distant horizon, people's brains really get scrambled.